So this new coin is absolutely crushing it in the past month, and we're just going to be taking a look at this absolutely new coin recommended by one of our subscribers on this channel. So do make sure to leave us recommendations like this in the comment section below. So we're going to be checking out Maga Trump today, and we're going to be reviewing the charts of Maga Trump and if this coin really has potential in the future. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. And before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So I have pulled up Maga Trump on coinmarketcap.com, and if we just look at the daily graph of this, and if we just review what its current situation looks like, it is currently, at the time of recording this video, trading at $6.90, up down about 24.32% in just the past day. Its market cap seems to be around $300 million, almost around 300. It is also down similar to the price, and its 24-hour volume is around at $25 million. So looking pretty decent in the day. However, it is down by a crucial number, down about 23.92%, and this is only one of the things you see throughout this whole coin's history. If we look at the daily graph of what happened today, it did go from around $9 to all the way up to $10.14, and then it bounced back, and throughout the whole day has been seeing downwards movement, and I think our lowest was around $6.58 for today. It has moved down by a crucial number in the daily time frame as we look at it. And if we now move to the 7-day graph, this is where you see some sort of positive signs that we can see. So started off the week at around $6.67, so we are moving around that range, still still around 3.76% up from that starting point just a week ago. If we look at our total week, we were fluctuating up and down throughout the whole week in the green, but we went as low as $5.08. But as we went through the week, from around the 29th of February, we started seeing this massive increase in price, this huge rally going upwards, and our prices going all the way up to $11.49, and this was absolutely huge increase. If we look at the candlesticks, our high was $11.56, so that was basically our highest we see at the top point, and it did come back from that price range. As you can see, it has been coming down. We hit that $10 range once again just today, as we saw in the daily graph, but we are continuing on our downward trend because it seems to be seeing a little bit of a correction here. So even this is looking fine, but if we go to the 1 month chart now, this is where we see the absolutely crushing numbers. As you can see, just a month ago we were trading at $2.21, so a very low number compared to the high numbers that we hit throughout this month. And even if we look at the 1 year, 1 year is absolutely crazy. Let's just talk about the 1 month first. $2.21. It was a pretty flat throughout this starting of the month. Just saw it go from $2 to $3. That was also around a 50% increase, also going crazy. But as we got throughout the month, in the middle of it, we started seeing the price climb and climb, and just a couple of days ago we saw the price hit $11.50. So from a $2 to $11 is absolutely crazy, almost around, I would say, 500-600% increase in just the past month and has absolutely crushed the charts. So this is a very underrated coin in my opinion, and it needs to be talked about more. As you can see, even in the top latest coins by CoinsProbe, there seems to be a news that this is one of the top 10 meme coins that could be the next Shiba Inu. So if we look at the 1 year chart, absolutely crazy, mind-blowing numbers. 43,000% in up in the past 1 year. Started at 15 cents. It is available on Uniswap and PancakeSwap, Radium, on these exchanges, and has absolutely crushed these charts. Possibly it even went down to as low as 1 cent, and it now climbed all the way up to $11.50. Absolutely a crazy journey for this. More than 43,000 even at the current price. I would say the price has been crucially moving, and throughout the year it has seen absolutely huge growth. So that was about it for this video, guys, and in this video we talked about Maga Trump, a recommendation by one of our subscribers. It has seen absolutely crazy numbers, absolutely mind-blowing in the past month and in the year. So in the year it has seen at the current price, a 43,000% increase. Absolutely mind-blowing, and it could possibly be the next Shiba Inu. So that was about it for this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily live stream I do on this channel, talking about any recent crypto news, any recent incoming changes, or that recent changes that have happened. So do make sure to check out my daily live stream, and do make sure to tune in daily. So also check out my long form content like this on this channel, talking about any new pumping cryptocurrencies as like this one. So I keep talking about these cryptocurrencies, so do make sure to check out my long form content. So that was about it. Do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.